Welcome back to NeuroDrive. Subscribe to NeuroDrive now so you don't miss our future vehicle reveals. What if the ultimate home on wheels looked like a powerful semi-truck and a luxury villa had a baby? Today we're diving into a full cinematic tour of a custom luxury semi-truck motorhome, the kind of machine that turns highways into red carpets and camping into a five-star experience. Picture it arriving at golden hour. The camera stays low, and the first thing you notice is the deep, glossy black paint, the huge vertical chrome grille, and the tall chrome exhaust stacks that give it a bold, commanding look. Massive chrome wheels and multi-axle axles hold this giant steady as amber marker lights glow above the windshield. The rectangular LED headlights slice through the dusk, and long tinted windows run like dark glass ribbons along the side. It looks powerful but refined, industrial yet utterly luxurious. From the rear, the scene is just as striking. The wide stance, the polished chrome bumper, and the modular panel seams hint at careful engineering. Subtle LED taillights glow against the sunset tones, and a flat rooftop deck waits above, perfect for sunset cocktails or a quiet morning coffee. The body reflects the sky and the road in soft, dramatic highlights. Every chrome trim and glass panel speaks of power and precision. Inside, the driver cabin moves the story forward. The camera slips over the captain's shoulder and the world opens up. A panoramic windshield stretches ahead, giving you a clear, commanding view of the highway. The dashboard combines matte black surfaces with polished chrome trim. Analog amber gauges glow with classic charm, while modern digital readouts sit beside chrome switches and gear levers. The steering wheel is substantial, the captain's seat a plush black leather throne with chrome armrests. This cabin feels like control and comfort fused, built for long runs but wrapped in high-end finishes. As we push deeper into the motorhome, the lounge and living areas reveal a different side: quiet luxury. The interior uses strong materials, polished wood floors, chrome details, and soft ambient LEDs that can shift the mood from bright and lively to warm and cozy. The wide windows flood the space with light during the day and reflect city lights at night. A flat-screen display blends into the wall, and clever storage keeps everything tidy. This is a living room meant for real life on the road, hosting friends, streaming movies, or just stretching out and watching the world go by. The bedroom deserves its own moment. The camera glides across a king-sized bed with a black leather headboard trimmed in chrome. Soft white bedding and muted gray accents give the room a calm, modern tone. Overhead strip lighting provides a soft glow, and polished wooden floors add warmth beneath your feet. Tinted windows offer privacy, while still letting in that golden sunset when you want it. Built-in cabinets and shelves keep essentials hidden but handy. It's a private suite that feels calm after a long day of driving, a place that truly invites rest. Back under the hood, or rather under the heavy-duty front, this concept blends traditional toughness with modern power. Imagine a high-output diesel V8 tuned with electric assist for extra torque and cleaner running. That kind of setup would give massive pulling power for heavy loads while offering smoother highway acceleration. Cooling systems, forged components, and polished turbochargers all point to an engine bay built for endurance and strength. It's the kind of powertrain that makes a vehicle this size feel eager on the road, not just heavy. But this motorhome isn't just about brute force. Technology plays a big role. The cockpit HUD and digital consoles help monitor route, battery levels, and systems in real time. Adaptive suspension smooths out rough roads, and advanced driver assistance makes long trips safer. Inside, smart lighting and climate systems learn your preferences and adjust automatically. Every control is placed for easy reach, every surface designed for comfort and durability. On the road, this motorhome moves with measured confidence. The front driving shot shows it cutting through a wide-open desert highway, Dust lifts in its wake and the chrome flashes in the light. From behind, the rear driving shot follows as it glides forward, the multiple wheels spinning with steady motion. The cabin POV shows hands on the wheel, the road unrolling ahead, and the amazing calm of being in command of something huge yet refined. Who is this for? It's for people who want to travel without giving up home comforts. It's for creative professionals working on the move, for families who want a premium road lifestyle, and for anyone who sees travel as an extension of their taste. It's not a budget camper, it's a statement, a mobile showpiece that says you value space, design, and engineering. If this motorhome concept ever hits the road, it would change expectations about what a mobile home can be. Not just a place to sleep, but a moving home that stands out in every setting. Would you take a semi-truck luxury motorhome like this on your next long trip? Tell us what feature you'd want most. Thanks for watching this cinematic tour. Remember, subscribe to NeuroDrive at the start of the video so you never miss our future concept reveals, and come back for more deep dives into the vehicles that shape the future of travel.